Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a natural skin lightening and skin toning carrot oil. The carrot is to be grated with the bark. These are the 2 carrots that I grated. I'll be using one for coconut oil and I'll be using one for olive oil. This is a natural moisturizer that is used to soften both the skin and the hair. It helps to prevent premature aging on the skin. It also moisturizes the skin and can be used as after sun treatment. Carrot oil hydrates the skin for 24 hours and helps to improve the elasticity and collagen production of the skin. It's also used as an antioxidant such as vitamin E and A, which helps to slow down aging processes. It keeps your skin moisturized. Carrot oil stimulates hair growth. It promotes scalp health. This oil prevents hair breakage and split ends. Carrot oil is capable of infusing into the skin to restore the lost moisture. It softens the skin tissues. It also helps the skin and hair to retain its natural moisture level, as well as sort wrinkles and stretch marks. Leave it in the fridge for 2 hours and scrape out the water and the particles in the oil, and then you will be left with only the oil. As you can see, my hand is filled with oil. Carrot oil is beneficial for the treatment of skin eczema and other skin problems. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like.